Kamu selalu kehabisan barang sebelum melakukan peminjaman? Pakai PinjamProdi, aplikasi peminjaman kampus yang akan membuat kamu tidak akan kehabisan peminjaman barang lagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Ridwansyah. I'm from class 4E with my student ID 3 2024 16038. So today I will explain the application I made the final project uh, in mobile programming course with the title is PinjamProdi. So I will demonstrate an application called PinjamProdi. PinjamProdi is an application developed to help manage the borrowing process of program study assets. This application is designed to make the process of borrowing, managing inventory, and monitoring transaction easier and more organized. In this demonstration, I will briefly explain the application structure and important parts of the code, and then I will demonstrate the application features directly. So let's move to the code in the VS Code. Uh, this application was developed using Flutter with Dart programming language. The project starter is separated based on its function to make the application easier to maintain. The models folder is used to define the data set structure. The services folder handles communication with the database. The controllers folder manages the application logic and the page. This is the page, all the page in the application. The page folder contains the user interface. And then this is the Supabase config for database management. This application uses Supabase as the backend platform. Supabase is responsible for storing and managing user data, item data, and borrowing transaction data. So this is the Supabase. Yeah, I made three tables from the Supabase: the profiles, items, and borrowing tables. The profile tables include the ID users, name, identity number, email, and role of the users. And then this is the items for admin to add the items like the ID item, name item, category, stock available, and condition. And then this is the borrowing tables. The borrowing tables is when users or the student made the loan, want to make loan items in the admin. So this is the data will appears in the borrowing tables in the Supabase. Okay, so I think that's all the brief I can explain about the code. In summary, the application workflow starts when the user interacts with the interface. The request is processed by the controller connected to the surface layer, stored or retrieved from Supabase, and then displayed back to the user. This structure makes the application more organized and easier to develop further. Okay, so next I will demonstrate the application directly. This application has two main user rules, a student and administrator. Oh, so I forget something. Before I run the application, let's see the Figma. So this is the design I made in Figma. This is the first design. So this application have a login page. This is the register page. And then this 1 2 3 4 5 four 4 pages for the student dashboard, and then this is for admin. Okay, so this is all the sketch for the application. Okay, next we run the application. Because I already run the application, next we can see I can explain this. So like I explained before, this application has two main user rules. First is student and then the administrator. First, I will log in as a student. I already made account. So this is the register if users don't have account. So they will type their name, email, password, and password confirmation, and then click this register. Since I already have account, so I will type the account. Oh, look at it. Look at this. If uh, users wrong in the password, this is the notification. Login gagal, email atau password salah. So users have to write in the password or the email. Okay, we click login. Yeah. After successful authentication, the system identifies the user's role and redirects the users to the student dashboards. On this page, students can access available items and monitor their borrowing activities. This is the available items. See the for the items, and this is the history. Okay, this is first this few items. This page uh, will displays all available items that can be borrowed by students. Okay, I click this. Its item displays important information such as item names like this router, switch, laptop, cable, HDMI, and projector. Category, this is the electronic category, and then condition, this is good condition, and also the stock. So this is red color because the stock is gone, disappears, 0, and this is the limited, only 2 remaining, and this is good stock, really big. Okay, and then this is the cari barang. So this is the search. You search to help users find item faster. The application provides a search feature. Yeah, this is the cari barang. Students can search items by entering the item name, and the system will automatically filter the available data. So I want to search the projector. So I will type P. Yeah, like this. R. Yeah. So projector will appear. So users don't worry to search the item. Users else can users search section. Okay. So I want to see the item like this. I want to see laptop in detail. So before borrowing an item, students can view the item detail first like this. This page provides information about the selected item, allowing students to make sure they choose the correct item like this. So I choose laptop. Yeah. In the detail, it shows laptop. Also show laptop. And then I will click borrow item. So after selecting an item, students can submit a borrowing request like this. So I will fill the form. I want only one laptop. Keperluan need uh, for the study. Okay. And then I will submit. Uh, okay, so after submission, there will appear notification. The borrowing status will initially become a pending and will wait for administrator approval in the history like this. So we move to the dashboard. And then students can monitor their borrowings history through this page. Like this, the riwayat peminjaman. The status informs student whether the request is still pending, approved, rejected, or complete. Like this. Yeah. Pending. Okay, next I will log out for explain the administrator demonstration in the administration like this. Okay, the administrator dashboard provides access to inventory management and borrowing transaction management. This is the data barang, the item data item. So in this menu, admin can manage all inventory data. Its item cards contain information such as item name, category, condition, and available stock. And then this is add button. So admin can add new items by filling in the required information such as item name, category, quantity, condition, location, and description. And then this is the edit button like this. If there is incorrect updated information, administrator or admin can edit the existing item data and then click update. So data will update. And then this is the delete button. So admin can also delete unused item. Yeah, like this. Before deletion, the system provides a confirmation dialog to prevent accidental deletion. Like this. Okay, so admin only can do that. Only admin can do that. And then this is the borrowing data. All borrowing requests submitted by students will appear on this page. Admin can review the request and decide whether to approve or reject it. Like this is the pending. So I will approve this. Yeah. And I will reject this. Yeah, like this. So this is okay. So when the request is approved, the transaction status change, the available stock will automatically be updated. Like if laptop stock is 10 and then student borrow 1, so it will be updated 9. Okay, like that. Okay. After the item has been returned like this, uh, admin can update the transaction status to complete the borrowing process like this. This is berhasil. Success. So I think that's all. I can explain about the PinjamProdi application. In conclusion, PinjamProdi provides an integrated solution for managing program study, inventory, and borrowing activities. Students can easily find items, submit borrowing requests, and monitor their status. Meanwhile, administrators can manage inventory data and control borrowing transaction efficiently. With this application, the borrowing process becomes more structured, transparent, and easier to manage. Thank you.